Christian, come on, let's do this. I want to show you these fidgets I got today. Gotta leave that open. Alright, come here. I already have the camera rolling. I got your bag right down there. I want you to see the fidgets that I got. But you gotta show the camera too. What did you get?
It's like slime.
It is. You can slide over here. They can still see you. Slide over just a tad bit.
Look, it's a cobra.
It is a cobra. I thought he had the weirdest looking tongue though. Do you think he has a weird tongue?
And weird eyes.
He does.
It looks like an elephant.
I know.
Okay, ready?
That was my favorite.
Oh yeah!
Ah, super cool.
Ah!
All right, what else did you get? Show them what else you got. Oh, that's just a package. Oh, I think this is the last one.
Hello. What is this in here?
Come up here. Oh, I found that in my car.
Oh.
Can you see yourself in there?
Yay, boy!
Yeah? All right, this is our last one. You gonna show him? What do you think he is? See how he is. You just like the snake, huh?
Yeah, that's why I look behind.
Like, that didn't scare you at all?
No.
Did I look good in black hair though?
Did you think it was her?
Yeah.
No, you didn't.
Man.
Already did.
Did you jump a little bit? When I roll this back, did he jump at least a little
No,
bit,
he
guys?
looked at me like, what are you doing? Like, are you serious?
Are you serious? Like, you cannot prank you. I'm gonna have to get more clever. Like, I was a little scared and I even knew. Like, it was creepy looking to me. And I knew that it was you. He's Fidget. Okay, guys. I'm about to get hurt in this
hold on.
video.
Ready? Wait,
Yeah?
can I have it? Wait, hold on.
Yeah, I just got slingshotted. Oh.